Hi, this is Satya from ROHM Semiconductor. We are a partner of Würth Electronics, and here I am showing a demonstration of our wireless charger. This is a Qi certified charger, and it is supporting up to 15 watts charging. And many of the phones are only 5 watts, but they are all upgrading to 15 watts very soon, and we are already ready with that solution. And if you see here the demonstration of a wireless charger, we have put the wood coil and our transmitter chip inside here, and that's how the circuit board looks like. And if you charge your device, this one is charging at 15 watts right now, so you can demonstrate the higher power Qi certified product, which you can demonstrate here. And this is a ready design, and we can the customers can buy this product as is, and then use all the products which we have identified in the bill of material, where Würth Electronics has supplied most of the magnetics and the coil, and ROHM provides the transmitter chip, and this is Qi certifiable product design with the schematics and the layout, everything. So people can just take that and manufacture their boards and ready for their game. And thank you very much for being interested in this ROHM and Würth Electronics Qi certified products.